Cashbook is a place where you monitor the outgoing and incoming money in the business. Let me show you how to use the cashbook function provided by Negawan. From this cashbook function, you can see the opening amount, money in, money out, balance, and balance bring forward. You can also add relevant transaction for the debit and credit section. Debit is for money in, while credit is for money out. The way to record any transaction in the cashbook section is by clicking the new button in the debit section. Then, enter transaction details such as date, particular, source, amount, ledger, payee or recipient, reference, and also attachment if any. You can choose to save or print the transaction. The same step apply for recording credit transaction. In this cashbook function, you can also record transaction from the same ledger in bulk. The method is to click on the bulk entry tab. Then you can record all transactions in details. You can choose the type of transaction, whether debit or credit, and select the relevant ledger. Now, with the assistance of Niagawan, you can effectively monitor the inflow and outflow of money in your business.